It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, the Graphic Samuel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to password protect your Windows PC. A step-by-step tutorial, so bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to password protect your Windows PC. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to come down below right here. Then make sure you type in settings. Then navigate to system settings. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on account. Then click on sign in options. Then click on sign in with your account password. Then click on add. Then enter your new password. Then confirm your password. Enter the int. Then click on next. Then click on finished. So it's as simple as that. So this is how to password protect your Windows PC, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.